Do you not remember
Easter
what was written
is a
about these
journey of
things,
faith.
and how
On
they
the
must come to
road
pass in
to
this time of
Emmaus,
great
Christ
transformation?
met his
Do you not
disciples
remember what
in
was
their
written about these
confusion and
things,
doubt. He
and how
walked
they
with
must come
them,
to pass in
spoke
this
to
time of
them,
great
and healed
transformation?
their unbelief
Do you not remember what
until
was
their
written about
hearts
these
burned
things,
with faith
and how they
again.
must come to pass in
In the
this
same
time of
way,
great
He meets us
transformation?
in our
Do you
struggles
not
and
remember what was written
uncertainties.
about these things,
Lord,
and
heal
how they
our
must come to
unbelief,
pass in this time
strengthen
of
our
great
faith,
transformation?
help us to
Do you not
recognize
remember
You
what was written
working
about
with
these
us
things,
every day.
and
La
how they must come
Pascual
to
es
pass in this
un
time of great
camino de fe.
transformation? Do you
En
not
el
remember what was
camino
written
a
about these
Emmaus,
things,
Cristo
and how they must
salió
come to
al
pass in this
encuentro
time
de
of
sus
great
discípulos
transformation?
en
Do you
medio
not
de
remember
su
what was written about these
confusión
things,
y duda.
and how they must come to
Caminó con
pass in this
ellos, les
time of great
habló y
transformation?
sanó
Do you not remember what
su
was written about these things,
incredulidad
and
hasta
how they
que
must
sus
come to pass in
corazones
this time of great
ardieron
transformation? Do you
nuevamente
not
de fe.
remember what was written about
Así
these things,
también Él
and
nos
how they must come to
encuentra
pass in this time
en
of great
nuestras
transformation?
hechas en
Do you not remember what was written about
incertidumbres.
these things,
Señor,
and how they
sana
must come to
nuestra
pass in this time of great
incredulidad,
transformation? Do
fortalece
you not
nuestra
remember
fe,
what was written about these
ayúdanos
things,
a reconocerte
and how they must come to
caminando
pass in
con
this time of
nosotros
great
cada día.
transformation? Do you not
Emume
remember
mbilite
what was
n'ọnwụ
written about
Kristi
these
bụ
things, and
njem
how they must
okwukwe.
come to pass in this
Jesu
time of
zitere
great
ndị na-eso ụzọ
transformation?
ya
Do you not
n'ụzọ
remember what
Emmaus
was written about these
n'ime
things,
mgbagwoju anya
and how they must
na
come to
n'inwe
pass in this
obi
time of
abụọ.
great transformation?
O
Do
sonyere
you not
ha
remember
na
what was
njem,
written about these
gwa ha
things,
okwu,
and
were
how they must
gwọọ
come to
obi ịda
pass in
mba
this
ha,
time of great
were ruo
transformation?
mgbe obi ha
Do you not
jupụtara
remember
n'okwukwe
what was written
ọzọ.
about these things,
N'otu aka ahụ,
and how they
ọ
must come to
na-ezute
pass in
anyị
this time of
n'oge
great
nsogbu
transformation?
na mgbagwoju
Do you
anya
not remember
anyị.
what was written about these
Onyenwe
things,
anyị, gwọọ
and how
ekweghị
they
ekwe
must come to
anyị,
pass in this time
mee
of
ka
great
okwukwe anyị
transformation?
sie
Do you
ike,
not remember what was
nyere
written
anyị
about these
aka
things,
ka anyị na-afụ
and
gị
how they must
na
come to
nje
pass
nke
in this
ndụ
time
anyị
of great
ụbọchị
transformation?
niile.
Do you not remember what was
Amen.
written about these things,
Dios te
and how they
bendiga.
must come to pass in this time of
Chineke
great transformation?
gọzie gị.
Do you not remember what was written
God
about these things,
bless you.
and how they must come to pass in
Amen.
this time of great transformation?